Welcome to our comparison of two fantastic countertop ice makers. Today, we are diving into the features and functionalities of the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Aeitto Nugget ice maker. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium nugget ice maker, we've got you covered. Let's find out which one suits your needs best. Let's start with the price. The Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is priced at just $87, making it an incredibly affordable option for those looking to make ice without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker comes with a higher price tag of $469. While it may be a significant investment, it promises premium features and performance. Next, let's talk about the type of ice produced. The Igloo model creates classic bullet ice, which is great for basic refreshments, while the Aeitto produces soft, chewable nugget ice, often referred to as sonic ice. This type of ice is highly sought after for its texture and is perfect for cocktails and soft drinks. Finally, let's compare their daily production capabilities. The Igloo Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is suitable for small gatherings or personal use. In contrast, the Aeitto can churn out an impressive 40 pounds of nugget ice daily, making it ideal for larger parties or frequent use. In conclusion, both the Igloo and Aeitto ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Igloo is perfect for budget-conscious consumers who need a compact and efficient ice maker, while the Aeitto is the go-to choice for those who prioritize high-quality nugget ice and have a larger budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.